Hello everybody, my name is Elizabeth Kuntz, and this is my introduction video for IT 569, and this is Malachi. He won't let me put him down. So first of all, I don't go by Elizabeth. All of my screens and everything are going to say Elizabeth, but please call me Libby. I'm taking this class to earn the PDS credit and to earn my master's degree. And then I'm really looking forward to what else I'm going to learn. This is class number 3 of that PDS credit, and I've learned a lot, and I'm looking forward to learning even more. So a little bit about me. I am in my I just finished my 5th year of teaching. I teach at Liberty Middle School in Edwardsville. So far I've taught 6th, 7th, and 8th grade math. Next year I just found out I'm teaching 7th and 8th grade. And this year I'm teaching summer school and taking summer school. It has been a very, very busy summer, I know, buddy. So I've been married for 4 years. That's my lovely wife right there. We've have 3 kids, and we all are. Let's see, moving me over a little bit so you can see all my kiddos. That's Peyton. He's 12. That's Matthew. He's going to be 3 next month. And this is Malachi, the famous Malachi, who will actually be 6 months tomorrow. We have 2 poodles. That's Abby and Chloe. And it's a very busy house, and we're always on the go. A little bit extra about me is that I coach the Edwardsville Girls varsity golf team. I'm very excited. It's actually my first year coaching it as the varsity coach. I do the bot ball at Liberty. Bot ball is our robotics club. So there's a picture of my kids with their robots. And I also handle the intramural golf program at Liberty Middle School also. Hobbies. I'm an avid golfer. I try to play as often as I can. We play a lot of board games in my family. To try to add a little bit more to this so it's not almost the identical video that you watched last time for 568. We also watch all of the DC TV shows. We are big fans of the Marvel Cinematic Universe. We are a very big family of nerds, and we're very proud of it. Anyway, so that's my video. I look forward to getting to know you guys and watching your videos and getting to know you over the next 5 weeks.